Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Moodle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the little settings button on the top of the page on the right. After that, just choose the general. And here you can see at the top, you can see the language part, and just click on that. And here, if you scroll down, you can choose your preferred language. So just click on that and just click on change to English United States, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.